All right, the LYNXX 40 volt hedge trimmers from Harbor Freight. Let's get it unboxed. Let's see how it works and see if it's any good. So this is what you get. You get the tool, which is already assembled, and then you get a battery and a charger, just like with any LYNXX product. And of course, you have a user's manual as well. So the battery actually, because you have a little checker right here, came fully charged. So I'm gonna pop it in this bad boy, and we're gonna see how it works. So real quick, one feature I just found out is if you press this little button here, you can change the handle position. So these hedge trimmers actually have 3 positions, which I think is really, really cool. Nice touch, LYNXX. Okay, so this is a hail in my backyard. It's supposed to be just ivy as ground cover, but as you can see, I got some other plants growing there, some soft, some are harder. Let's see how the hedge trimmers cut through this. All right, so it did a great job there, cut through it like butter. Now, let's see how it does against a pine tree. It's gonna be some thicker branches on here, but let's see if this little guy can cut through. All right, so this thing ate through that like butter. And as you can see, that wasn't some dinky little branch for a hedge trimmer to cut through. So I am thoroughly impressed. Okay, one more example of how easily this hedge trimmer cuts. I just have some branches that are hanging over my fence here, so I'm gonna lop them down. Okay, final verdict on the 40 volt LYNXX hedge trimmers. I think they're completely badass. I think it's relatively lightweight, it cuts quickly. The battery still reads 4 out of 4 bars after using it for the past 20 or 25 minutes or so. So I was gonna say, if you're in the market for a good hedge trimmer, give this one a shot. I really, really like it. I'm gonna do a follow-up video in a few months, maybe at the end of the summer or in the fall, when I've used this a whole bunch and let you know how it holds up after a couple months of ownership. But I'd say thumbs up, give you the green light to buy this thing. It's pretty awesome. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. I appreciate you guys watching this, and I appreciate all your awesome comments. Stay safe out there.